everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well guys, on the previous episodes of Uthando, nesthembu Mseleku highlighted that he and Mpumelelo, his son, are planning to pay a lobola for Mpumelo's baby mama, but guys, Mayeni didn't approve that. Athi Mpumelelo is still very young ukuthi angashada, and beside akafuna ukukhalelwa ingane yabantu Mpumelelo eseyishiye kanjalo. But it seems as if Mseleku and his son are overruling Mayeni's decision. Uthando, nesthembu polygamist, and his son confirmed that the lobola talks between the two of them are already at an advanced stage. Mseleku, who has 4 wives, said he's happy that Mpumelelo has decided to get married at a younger age. Mpumelo's girlfriend Avuyokazi Ncweni, his baby mama who stays in Cape Town, and Nompumelelo Makanya who stays in Durban, and he recently revealed that they are in agreement of being in a polygamous marriage. Musa Mseleku is preaching to his son that they must practice polygamy in order to expand the Mseleku surname. Speaking to Daily Sun, Mpumelelo said, "For now I don't have enough money except my inheritance, which I will use towards lobola, and my father promised to assist me. Again, I cannot disclose the final details of ilobolo because these are secret discussions between my father and myself. I've been dating these 2 ladies for the past 2 years, and now I'm preparing to marry them. I've met their families, and this December I'm planning to spend Christmas with both of them, and that will be the first time his girlfriend meets beside the WhatsApp group they have with him as number 3. Guys, this really proves that apple does not fall far from the tree. We might be introduced to Uthando, nesthembu, the legacy. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.